Have you ever wondered what really hides behind those glossy FabFitFun ads that promise $350 worth of luxury for just $80? The Winter 2025 box has millions of subscribers rushing to order, but after breaking down every single product and price claim, the truth is far from glamorous. FabFitFun loves to flaunt retail values that sound premium, but when you dig deeper, that $98 perfume they brag about, it's selling for $50 on 3 different websites right now. The $70 skincare serum, listed at $20 on Amazon. When you stack everything up, the real value of this box barely crosses $120, a far cry from the $350 fantasy plastered across their marketing. What's worse, this season's box feels smaller, lighter, and cheaper than past ones. That recent $10 price increase hasn't gone unnoticed either. Longtime subscribers are complaining that half the items they used to get are gone, replaced by travel-sized luxury samples that don't justify the hype. Annual members who customize early seem to get the good stuff, but seasonal subscribers? They're left with leftovers that no one wanted. And when boxes arrive damaged or incomplete, FabFitFun's customer service often offers a $15 credit instead of an actual refund. Even the Better Business Bureau has logged complaints about missing products and denied returns. It's not a total scam, but it's definitely not the dream deal their ads suggest. The truth is, FabFitFun's real business model relies on inflated MSRP prices and a sense of urgency that pressures you to subscribe fast before you realize what you're really getting. So before you spend $80 chasing that luxury lifestyle in a box, remember, sometimes the only thing that's truly full-sized here is the marketing.